Hello guys, how have been? Hopefully everything is going well. I am also well as by the grace of Almighty. Today I am come in front of you, my dear friend, for talking about actually there have a lots of audience, there have a lots of my friends and family members also. There someone's asked me actually which age is perfect for learning English. Actually, my dear friend, if I give the answer, there have been no any bounds of age so that you can learn English. You can learn English in any time. It depends on you. But if you want to suggest from me, I will suggest you, my dear friend, if you will getting and trying it from your childhood, it will be most better for you, because when you will growing up day by day, you will feel actually what is the advantage of learning English and what is the benefit of learning English. If you learn English, if you know how you will talk with people, how will conversation with people in English, you will getting more than 80% from general person. You will get the advantage and uh, you will be actually useful, and you can get many types of benefit from in our society. We are Bengali people, we have no any knowledge about English, but we have actually. If I say we have no any knowledge, it will be actually not correct. That's why I will tell you, my dear friend, we have actually knowledge about English, but we don't try to use it, and we don't know where I have to use it and how actually I can get benefit from this language. What is the meaning of this? Why I will learn English? We don't know. This is the main problem of us. And you can ask me right now, you are telling me it will be more beneficial if you learn it from your childhood. So how can you will start your childhood? Who will help you? Yes, this is the main question, my dear friends. We have to know about our children, and actually there have a lots of parents, they are not actually aware of this language. We have to awareness, and we have to aware about this language, and we have to gain our knowledge about this language, how we treat our children within English language, how will him to use this. We have to use our children to this language, then actually he will be used to, and when he will grow up, it will be not difficult for him, because he already getting it from his childhood. He have to knowledge, he knows, actually he has the knowledge how it working, how actually he can talking with people, how he should take the advantage from this language. So this is the technique. And if you notice that we can notice that there have a lots of students in our Bangladesh, because they have no any knowledge about the English, and they have a great fairness about English. The main reason behind this, we can't treat our children about the English. We always make it and push it to his brain. This is too much difficult, you can't get it. Try to learn just basic English so that you can pass the examination, otherwise you can't getting it. This is the main problem of us. So my dear friend, there have a lots of teacher also in Bangladesh. It's here to, I know it's here to not good, but I have to say it, there have a lots of teacher in Bangladesh also. They don't know how they will make conversation with people in English. They know the basic, they know about the grammar, about the reading book, how can they actually take in class, and how they will pass the students, but they don't know actually how they will conversation with people, how they will talking with people. They can't. This is very shameful for us. So my dear friend, we have to change our actually system of education. When we can change our education system, actually it will be ready for us automatically. We don't have to push up. Our have so many mistaken in our education system. If you notice that in from class 1 to 1 2 3 4 5 type of students book, also there have no any Bengali translation. They have only written by English. They have no any translate about the English word. That's why our students don't know about the what of the meaning of the word, what is the actually meaning of the sentence. That's why they always fear this. they don't want to touch the English book. Because of this is the totally wrong system. Because when you was child, your father, mother, and anyone, when try to study you, they also read you the English and with the translation. Without translation, you can't know about the meaning of the book is boy, the meaning of the students is chatro, this type. So when you will know the meaning of the word, then you can use it in your lifestyle. Otherwise, how can, if you don't know about the meaning of the any word, any sentence, how we will treat it and how we will know about this one? This is the problem. So my dear friend, if we have children in our family, we should try to teach them in correct way. When you will push up to them for study, you should learn him or you should teach him English with Bengali so that he can learn this. And after that, then when he will getting the correct way, he can actually read the books, he can getting the meaning, he can talk with people. This is the right way of us. So my dear friend, don't worry about our past, try to fix it right now. It will be more beneficial for us, more beneficial for our students and also our future. Not more today, I will make another video for everyone next day. Until then, be safe, goodbye, thank you.